Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a step-by-step process how you can easily add RSI indicator to your trading view. So the first thing that you want to do is like be in charts, then just click here on indicators and be in my script, write search RSI relative strength index. You can also like RSI strategy corners, so just click here. Then what you can do, you got it, you can also add moving average. And then you would see like the line here. What you can do simply is just click on line, right click on it. And you can also add it to new pen below. Or what you can do, existing pane below and have it with RSI here. So this is how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.